Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is going to be helping out the Human Resources Department. You're going to be doing a lot of human resources administrative tasks, including data entry of human resources information. We're going to dive all in. The links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And if you enjoy any of these job leads, give this video a thumbs up like button because that does give me that direct feedback. And of course, if you know anybody who could benefit from this, share with them so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Today's job lead, though, is from the company Maximus. Maximus has 4,700 reviews from past and current employees on Glassdoor with an employee satisfaction overall rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an admin for their HR service center. This is going to be remote for the United States. Now, this is going to require some phone work while you're doing some clerical and administrative tasks, but they're not requiring very much experience at all. Now, let's note there's a difference between knowledge and actual experience. You do need to have some knowledge in the HR realm, like knowing things to ask about benefits and things like that. But what they're looking for is somebody to be responsible for handling all of those HR inquiries. Those might be on the phone, through ticket, or chat. You're going to maintain a professional demeanor. When you do this, you'll research appropriate solutions to work with necessary parties such as human resources, payroll department, benefits team, all of that. You're going to perform data entry in a variety of human resource software such as Workday, ICIMS, and CostPoint. You're going to develop proficiency in policies and procedures, responding appropriately to customer inquiries, and assist with any miscellaneous department duties as assigned. Now, what they are requiring is a high school diploma or GED, no college degree, and 0 to 2 years of related experience. So not much experience as long as you have that knowledge of kind of how human resources work and benefits work. They want somebody who can be punctual, show up to work on time, work a computer, have great communication skills, and great attention to detail. Now, because this doesn't require a lot of bit of experience, it is kind of more of like an entry-level type position. Pay is anywhere from $15.33 an hour all the way up to $20.70 an hour and will depend on your location and experience. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for because I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.